Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to install Gmail in a Windows 7 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, open new tab. Click on this plus button. New tab is open. In new tab, here we find Gmail. Click on Gmail from here or go to the Google Apps. Click on Google Apps. Here we find Gmail, click on Gmail, wait for a few seconds and Gmail is open. After that, in Google Chrome, at the top we find three dots, click on this three dot. Scroll down, here we find more tools, go to the more tools. In more tool, here we find create a shortcut, click on a create a shortcut. Here we find Gmail, select this, open as a window, select this, it is an IMP, click on create. New pop-up box or app is open, close it. Minimize or close Google Chrome. Go to the desktop. On desktop, we find Gmail shortcut. Also in start, go to the start and here we find Gmail shortcut. You can open it from anywhere. I double click on the my desktop shortcut, double click on it, wait for a few seconds and our Gmail is open as an app or installed as an app in Windows 7 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.